Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is 17th chapter, probability. Do you know that what's probability? Yes, in English term you have heard also so many times probability. Yes. So when we are using this word probability means possibility. Okay, may it will occur or okay. So suppose sometimes we are using these words when we are not 100% confidence. At that time we are using the probability. That means may 1% also chance is there to not success. Okay. Suppose India and Pakistan they are playing that cricket match. At that time what you should say? You will use this probability. That means you will say that India may will win or India probability India will win. So today probability that it was rain. So that means the probability means what we are expecting something and may it will be success or may not success. Okay, that means 100% we cannot say that it will be success. In that cases we will use that probability. Probability means it is the future conditions it will be, but whenever we are expecting more, that time we are using that probability. Yes. So how it is in the mathematical branch, that it is also a branch of the statistics, and we have to apply this formula and how we should find out that what is the probability of that different events we have to discuss. So before that, students, period this format he was given that introduction about this and given that probability specially. You should see that students, he was first trial that one coin toss. You know that coin toss. Okay. So whenever that in cricket team or who will batting or who will the fielding, that purposes two captains of the both teams, they will go and they will do the first with umpire toss. Okay, toss means whenever that coin having the two sides, one is head, one side is tail. So whenever the toss will keep, at that time somebody will call that and it will say that a head or a tail. So according to that, one of that head, that face will be on the offside. Yes, that is will be win. So what you are expecting? How can we say? Can you say that 100% head will come? No, we cannot guess that 100% one side it will come like that. What we are expecting now. So both are the equal chances there. Both for the equal chances there. May it will come tail, may it will come head. So that cases we are using that probability, and how much percentage, how much that point it will get that will get that head we have to expect. So this mathematics and that the statistical person that Perry format, that he was more anxious about that and he tried that 1,000 times that one coin, means 1,000 times he tried that, and he found that near about 565 times that 545 that what is that near about that head came, and is 465 like that something it came, what is that tail. That means whenever he is going to that near to near, at that time what happening, it is coming approximative value equal. Okay, so that means 0.5 near about that 0.499 or 0.511 like that values is getting. Okay, so whenever that we are number of times more it is getting, that means that value is coming approximately same. That means same chance is occurring for the both cases, head and tail. So let us discuss about that. What is that probability? So see the students, write down the definition first. Probability, it is defined as the measure of likelihood of the occurrence of an event. If one event means one anything, whatever we are going further to do activities. Okay, may it is theoretical or it is we can do that what is that practically, whenever we will do that generally when games or any activity, but that output result will come compulsory. Okay, in your laboratory you have done that practically you have done that, yes or no? So whenever you will do that hydrogen with oxygen, you will mix, then compulsory will get that output, that is the result, that is called as water. Yes, same like whenever we are doing that something events, that time there is one output, either it will be loss or we will win. So same like when that two which games or which events likelihood occurrence means the same occurrence it will come, same possibility there, either we will win or we will be lost. That time same things purposes we have to say that we are using that word probability. The probability of an event E for event, any event. Suppose we are trial, we are keeping theoretical or practical, that not a matter. Whenever we are doing that experimental methods or that theoretical methods, means theory with we can find out, experimental also we can do. There is one output result. So whenever we are doing that experimentally, we are taking that coin toss. So what will get? We'll get that a head, or maybe we'll get the tail. So but we cannot say that confidence with it is a head. Okay, that cases we are saying that a probability. So probability how should find out? Now P of E matlab events. Which events you like to do? What do you like? What is your favorable? So if you want to head, that is your favorable. So okay. So whenever we are toss keeping, at that time we are saying I call that head. Head means that is your favorable. So whether if head will come, that will win. If tail will come, the other opposite party will be win. So how much possibility there, that we have to discuss. So probability of an event is denoted by P of E is given by what is that? P of E. Probability of E matlab like that you have write P of E. And how that we will find out? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Students, very carefully formula remember. In the probability, this is very important formula. Only one formula you have to remember. Probability of any events you are finding time. What you have to do? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So only one thing you have to remember. What is the number of favorable outcomes? Outcomes means, students, what is that? What is the result? Okay, I will do the draw here, friends. What is that favorable outcomes? So first of all, whenever one coin will toss, what will come? Na sample space. It is called as output result. That is called as sample space. What is that? Sample space. Okay. The sample space you will write in by the one sets with it to one curly bracket inside it. Sample space. When a coin is tossed, what are the outcomes? Sample space means outcomes. Outcomes if you write in the bracket inside, that is called as a sample space. So suppose what will come? It will get one head and you will get a tail. Yes. So there are the two outcomes will come. This is called as outcomes, or writing like that we have to write the sample space. So sample space of the when one coin is tossed, the sample space will come head or tail. That means a head will come or tail will come. That means what are the outcomes will come? That is called as a sample space. So now what you have to do? Number of favorable outcomes. How many? Number of favorable outcomes. Total outcomes. How much, friends? You can write it. Total number of outcomes. Okay. Total number of outcomes is how many? 2 will get, because how many are there total? Favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is equal to head only. Yes, is equal to 1, because we want what is that probability of getting head. So whenever we are getting head, how many heads are there? Only one head. So that is your favorable outcomes. याद रखो बेटे, हम टोटल कितना है? हेड एंड टेल टोटल 2 है, लेकिन तुमको क्या चाहिए? हमको हेड चाहिए. तो फेवरेबल क्या है? हेड है. कितना हेड है? 1 है. So is equal to 1. Okay. Now look at here. First of all, solution I will write here this students for that. First of all, write down that sample space when a coin is tossed. Okay, the outcomes means a sample space or outcomes we can write it is equal to head and a tail. Okay, so total number of outcomes is equal to how much? 2, because H and T, how many elements are there inside that? There are events are there, so total outcomes are there, total occurrence is there, so 2. So now favorable outcomes. Students, first of all you have to understand what is the favorable outcomes. Here question with the favorable outcomes means what is the probability of getting head? Question what is that asking? Which one you have to choose? Na head. So head is only 1. One head is there here, so we can write it 1. Okay, now two things we got. Favorable outcomes, we got that number of favorable outcomes, total number of favorable outcomes is here. We can write it number of favorable outcomes 1, एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स कितना है 2 है, तो हमें दोनों मिल गया, तो अभी प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ h इज इक्वल टू, हमको हेड चाहिए सो इवेंट का प्लेस में हेड लिख सकते हैं, इज इक्वल टू क्या है फेवरेबल आउटकम्स 1 बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स 2 और इज इक्वल टू 0.5. Okay, so this is the probability of getting head. Okay, so same like students we have to do here. Here look at here students, question example 2. A die is thrown once, find the probability of getting the following number on the die: p of 1, p of even number, p of prime number, p of number less than 7, p of number greater than 6. Students, it is very important question also, you should carefully ध्यान से देखो how that it is. Okay, so first of all क्या करना है हमें, देखो solution write down. When the probability very interesting chapter and you have little attention if you give, you can understand easily. So first of all क्या करना है, ये क्वेश्चन से जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है पहले फर्स्ट हमको सैंपल स्पेस निकालना है, मतलब क्या क्या पॉसिबल आउटकम्स है, व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. द पॉसिबल आउटकम्स क्या होता, जब हम डाई मालूम है, जैसा रूबिक क्यूब्स है, जैसा एक क्यूब का अंदर में जो पॉइंट्स रहता है, हमें लूडो खेलते जैसा, उसका लूडो को बोलते हैं डाई. ठीक है, एक क्यूब का अंदर में इसको बोलते हैं डाई. इधर एक रहेगा, ऐसा 1 2 3 रहेगा, ऐसा 2 रहेगा, ऐसा रहेगा. तो whenever a die we are throwing one time, what will come that up, that we are getting probability. Okay, so we will see that first one सब understand that. पहले क्या करना है, सैंपल स्पेस हमको निकाल देना, मतलब ये डाई में कितना क्या क्या आ सकता, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स, व्हाट आर द आउटकम्स, पॉसिबल आउटकम्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सैंपल स्पेस. सो सैंपल स्पेस फर्स्ट राइट डाउन व्हेन ए डाई इज थ्रोन, इट इज बेटर वन टाइम, व्हेन ए डाई इज थ्रोन वंस, then the sample space or the outcome sample space क्या हो सकता, what are the sample space it will come, now 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come, 4 will come, 5 will come, 6 will come. may 1 आ सकता, maybe it will come 2, maybe it will come 3, maybe it will come 4, or maybe it will come 5, or maybe it will come 6. yeah, out of 6 any one of the digit will come on the top means on the up. Okay, so like this opposite it will come one of the number. Okay, so what the number, which one the number, that we are asking. Now first question for you, first of all question number 1, first this one you have to find out total number of outcomes. This is 6. So you have to remember this one, whenever any question it will give, फर्स्ट सैंपल स्पेस निकाल लो, जो आया वो टोटल नंबर को फेवरेबल काउंट करके लिख दो इधर, बस ये खत्म हुआ. फिर बाद में क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहे ना, p ऑफ 1 कितना बार आ सकता, तो फेवरेबल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स इज इक्वल टू 6, तो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, फेवरेबल आउटकम्स इक्वल कितना है, देखो हमें 1, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट इज 1 कमिंग ना, 1 टाइम ओनली, सो वी कैन टेक दैट 1, सो इज इक्वल टू 1 टाइम. सो नाउ p of 1 इज इक्वल टू, फर्स्ट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स केम फेवरेबल आउटकम्स बाय टोटल नंबर आउटकम्स, दिस इज आवर व्हाट इज दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी. सेकंड लाइक b, total number outcomes already we know, favorable outcomes we have to see, p is even number, probability of even number इधर कितना, how many you should see, sample space we can find out that what is that sample space here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means even number only, even number means how much you have that 2 4 6, so sample space of that favorable outcomes, that is 2 3 6, so is equal to how much, number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes. Okay, number of favorable outcomes how many, 3, because sample space we found that for that outcomes how many sample space of 2 3, what is that we are taking. Okay, so now p of even number is equal to टोटल सैंपल स्पेस नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितना है ना 3 है. सो 3 हमको पता है 3 क्योंकि हमका फार्मूला है नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स. सो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितना आया 3 आया. सो 3 बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स कितना है 6 है. सो बाय 6 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 और 0.5 also you can write it decimal with it. ठीक है. सो सेम लाइक स्टूडेंट्स, now third one also see students, what is that c is what a prime number. So favorable outcomes क्या है prime number. So prime number means in this prime number what are that 2 3 5. So 2 3 5. Okay, so now number of फेवरेबल आउटकम्स इज इक्वल टू कितना आउट 3 है. सो पी ऑफ प्राइम नंबर इज इक्वल टू, एक्चुअल फॉर्मूला क्या है नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. वन सेकंड आई एम राइटिंग हियर नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स by total number of outcomes. Okay, now what you have to do, number of favorable outcomes कितना है, how much are the number of favorable outcomes ना 3 है. so 3 by total number of outcomes क्या है already we have found that 60. so by 60 is equal to 1/2 or is equal to 0.5. okay, same like students डी क्वेश्चन क्या है p ऑफ नंबर लेस देन 6. ओके, सो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स क्या है देखो बेटे, फेवरेबल आउटकम लेस देन नंबर लेस देन 7. लेस देन 7 मींस हाउ मेनी आर देयर 6 आर देयर. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 all are this is less than 7. so total number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes is equal to कितना है 6 है. okay, so hence probability of number less than 7. ठीक है. so is equal to क्या होता ना फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितना आया हमको 6 आया. 6 by then total number of favorable outcomes क्या है 1. so we can write it what 6 by 6 is equal to 1. ठीक है. next number greater than 6 DE number greater than 6. Is there any number greater than 6? No. So 0. So hence what you have to do, if it is probability you will get 0. So what I am writing? So probability, okay, P of P is what is that? 0 probability. That means probability is 0 because here number of greater than 0 is 0. Means not there anything. Yes or no? So number of greater than 6 is 0. so not there. How many numbers are there? 0 numbers are there. so probability will get a 0. if any numbers not there, then that probability is called as a 0 probability. I hope you have understand about that, especially about the probability, how to find out that of a event. okay, thank you all of students. if any doubt you can ask to me with my personal contact number. thank you.